today's agenda is, since my computer crashed, we're gonna go fix my laptop. We just found a shop. Let's go.
There's sun out today too. We haven't seen this in a while. 2 people. That's where we're going. Hit receipt.
I was really keen to eat at a coffee shop. I ordered myself a chocolate cake and a vanilla latte. Patrick ordered himself a chicken curry. Oh, sandwich, it's here. Hi. Here's rice and curry.
Most places have these little fake, look at that fake spaghetti. They have these little fake meals outside so you can see what kind of dishes they serve and what it would look like. Those tomatoes don't look too ripe. You know, there's like a risotto looking shrimp rice.
Computer is being fixed still. We went back over there to see if it was done, but he said it's going to take another hour or so. So we're currently looking for a bar to go hang out until the computer gets fixed. Everything right now is closed. It doesn't look like it'll open for like the next couple hours. Maybe like at 5 or so is when usually places here open, is at least what I've noticed. So let's see what we find here. We found this Irish bar and we were so excited. We're like, hey, we found something to go drink at, and it's closed.
What kind of Irish bar is closed at 4 in the afternoon?
Another vending machine. Oh my gosh, why is her face there? The guy at the computer shop was so nice, he gave us this. So cute, so cute, so cute. Yeah, we got 3 kitties. We finally found a place that's open. Thank you. Hi.
Miracle world of microorganisms.
She's so cute. We like this sake so much, we're going for a round 2. Arigatou gozaimashita. Hi. We are currently at Honmachi Nacha in Osaka, and please don't forget to follow these guys if you have Instagram. Very nice bar, very reasonable prices, delicious sake.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you.
There's Patrick. He's the one that made my computer come back to life. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Here's the amazing chef. He helped us find our place and he helped us with our baggage.
Yay.
Here's our other friend. Hi. Very spicy. He likes it spicy. Yeah.